How to make Revolution slider responsive in JavaScript. Slider Revolution is mostly configured through its GUI, but there are scenarios where developers want to enhance responsiveness using JavaScript. First, understand that the plugin already offers built-in responsive features. However, if you're integrating it into a custom framework or handling dynamic content, JavaScript becomes helpful. Using JavaScript, you can listen to window resize events and trigger specific slider behaviors. For instance, you can adjust font sizes, layer positions, or even switch slider modules entirely based on screen width. Another advanced use case is detecting when a user rotates their device. Using JavaScript event listeners, you can reload or resize the slider dynamically. You can also use JavaScript to trigger or pause animations, depending on the visibility of the slider in the viewport. This is useful for performance and user experience. Lastly, JavaScript is great for programmatic control, such as changing slides or toggling autoplay depending on screen resolution or user interaction. For more integration methods, ideas, and advanced configurations, don't forget to check out the link provided in the video description.